Just me and the kid this morning, kid number 2. We thought we'd try out our new local little takeaway burger van thing. It's basically the restaurant up by us, because he can't open because of COVID. He set up this little thing, so thought we'd show our support, try it out. Looks amazing. Super good, by the way.
Who is she? How can you reject me so damn easily? Who are you and what are we? Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. I know you play your part.
Me and the kid have come to town. I need to get this tyre sorted because it's got a puncture, it's got a screw in it. So come and get that sorted. Hopefully there's a space somewhere, someone can do it for me and we can come back. If I could describe today's mood, I would say I'm feeling very cinematic-y, B-roll-y.
Just let me know you're leaving your car, got lost in your heart. I'm falling apart. Stop lying. Don't know who you are, baby, anymore. I'm dying. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know if you don't need me? Just let me know.
Okay, so basically the tyre ain't getting fixed today. No appointments anywhere, no one can fit me in. So we'll have to have another look tomorrow. While we're here, we could take kid 2 to the park.
I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love. Some people say money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. 'Cause what I've got, you couldn't put a price on.
Right, so we're back home now. Thank you everyone for all their help and comments on the office situation. Basically, I'm struggling on where to put the office in the house. There's no ideal space. Good comments, but it's not made the situation any easier because now I really don't know what to do. Now I'm thinking, should we even put it in the house? Should I have it outside? Now we've got plenty of space all around. We've got the barn, we've got stables. It just means a lot more work to put it outside. It's more work and time and costs that we weren't really planning on. So we're still having a think, but in the meantime I'm going to make a start taking the stuff out that we need to take out and moving the wall, so that way we can look at the space and kind of get an idea what to do. Right, so first things first, I'm going to move this wall this way a little bit, because this room, the other side, just isn't quite wide enough. You can't really get kind of around all the appliances and stuff. I'm going to move it out about 20 centimeters. When this wall's moved, then I'm going to start ripping out all of this plasterboard. We're just going to re-insulate properly. When we did it, we were in a rush. We just used whatever insulation we could get the cheapest and for free, and it wasn't the best. So take this plasterboard out, plus this was the kitchen, so all the sockets and stuff are all the wrong height, so we need to rewire it as well. So move the wall first, then the rest of it. In theory this should be dead easy because it's just a stud wall, so I can take the plasterboard off, move the wall, re-screw it in. it's tempting. Should I? I've always wanted to do it. Okay. That wasn't as epic as I thought it'd be. It was more of a here's Johnny moment. Well, just wanted to do it. Now I know a lot of you are thinking how annoying he's got to rip out what he's already done. But see, when we first started doing this house, it was a massive rush. Annalise was pregnant, we just needed somewhere to stay. We had no vision for this place. I had no real skills, I'd never done it before, so we just did it as quick and as cheap as we could. And now we've lived in it a bit, we realise actually, no, that would be better there, that would be better there. We need more insulation, you know, we need more plug sockets, blah blah blah. So we're just taking the time now to just go over things and get them done properly.
People try to get by if you don't have a reason.
Told you it'd be easy.
It's hard to make it all worthwhile. What I've got.
So there's a wall. Obviously TV is not staying there. It's going to be on here when it's all plasterboarded, sockets and everything behind there, all nice and neat. In the next room, so now it's well, it's not miles bigger, it's only like 20-30 centimetres bigger, but there's loads of room now to get around all the appliances. Yeah, we're getting there. A lot more mess to be made in the next few days, but it's going to be worth it, just have it done properly. So I'm mega late editing this, by the way. I'll just scrape through making it. No time for a fancy outro or drone shots or anything, so see you tomorrow.